I see everybody made it.
What's up, man? It's game day. Let's go inside.
Is there food inside?
That's where the meet and greet is, inside.
Fine. What's up, dude?
What's up, brother? Am I lumpy?
How you guys? How you guys? Love you, man.
Love you too, brother.
Came all the way from Seattle just to see you.
Seattle? I want to go to Seattle.
Yeah? You should make a trip out there.
I want to. You ready? How are you?
This is the fangirl.
Hey, they're free.
Hi, how are you? Did you go out and party last night? I'm hungover and I'm probably still drunk. What's up, dude? How are you? Where is Derek? What's up, brother? Sticker? What's up, man? You thought you were gonna be taller? Derek makes it seem like I'm just like a midget. I'm not a midget.
Good to see you out here, man.
Good to see you.
I always watch your videos at work on Monday.
Monday morning, 6:30 a.m.
Just call me Michael G.
I'm gonna call you Dad.
20 years, 2 months, 2 days in the Air Force. Where's your wife?
At home. She doesn't come to things like this.
What? Cannabis.
Dad!
Yo.
I'm watching you, Dad.
Hey, you got to. You got to.
Hey, Jimmy!
What's up, man? How are you?
Way to get me out of it. That's so bad.
He pushed you out of the photo?
Let's go.
I love your food review videos. Those are my favorite.
Don't tell me how to pose.
What's up, man? How are you? I love kids. 1 month? Congratulations.
So I'm guessing I don't want to mess it up. Fuck it. Have faces with people.
There we go.
Oh, that's going on forever. I like it.
Hi, how are you? How are you, sir? What's up, man? How are you?
Good, how you doing? Awesome, thank you.
How are you?
Nice to meet you, finally. Finally. You know, I have a nickname for you. I accidentally called you Sublinquent one time. Perfect. Thank you.
Hi, how are you? Would you like a...
Nice to meet you.
Nice.
Watching you for about 2 years now.
Oh, man, I appreciate that.
Thank you.
What's up, man? Wonderful.
You send my jacket.
Whatever you want, man.
How you doing?
What's up, man?
Patrick, nice to meet you.
Patrick, nice to meet you. Julian, nice to meet you. You guys. How are you? Whatever you want. I love the hat. I love it. What's up, man? How are you?
Do you do any product reviews on your channel?
Yeah, sometimes.
Motorcycle shoe protectors. You know when you're shifting, how your boot gets all fucked up?
Where do we find this at?
Instagram.
In-
Vanguard 702.
All right, Vanguard 702. You guys are into it, man. Go check it out. What's up, brother? How are you? Appreciate that, man. Would you like a sticker? How are you? I'm good. And you? How are you? What's up, dude? How are you? Can I give you a sticker? Hi, how are you? What's up, brother? How are you?
Pretty good, man. Pretty good.
What are you doing here? What's up, brother? Yeah. Good, and how about you?
Suburban Delinquent.
How are you, sir? What's up, man? How are you?
How you doing?
What's up, dude?
I appreciate you, Ken.
I appreciate you telling me that, man. Good, how are you? Hi, how are you?
What's up, man? Dude, the Jake the Snake set up. I gotta get one.
All right, dude. Red Rock's over. Big thanks to everybody that came out, that's for sure. Now what? We're going to AIMExpo. Is that the Walterific Jeep? I thought that was Walterific's Jeep. We're done with the meet and greet. Now we're on our way to AIMExpo. Awesome turnout at Red Rock Harley Davidson, man. It was a good time. I love seeing all the people that watch these videos. It's cool, man. It's really inspiring. Keeps you motivated. Keeps me motivated anyway. It's Kyle from Chaparral. He rode all the way out from San Bernardino just for a couple hours, then he's gonna turn around and ride all the way back home. That dude rides, man. He's diehard. He's also got a channel. I think he was recording too. So I'll put a link to his channel in the description of the video, man. He's a really good guy. Huge shout out to SSR, dude. We wouldn't have bikes to ride out here if it wasn't for them. Benelli. I like this thing. It's game day. These dudes on these Groms, they just have too much fun. These Groms are taking over the ride, man. Look at this girl, man. She's killing it. These Goonies come out in numbers. It's impressive. Imagine giving a 3-year-old kid a huge can of Red Bull. And that's what it's like watching these Grom guys run around. It's pretty funny. Alright, so we're going to screw this up. We're supposed to park in a certain area. I have no idea where that area is. AIMExpo was trying to explain it to me in the morning, but I couldn't stay focused. We're going to screw this up. I know it. I know we have to be over there somewhere. That's all I know. It's mayhem. I gotta find Cinnamon. We always do this thing. It's kind of fun. It's tradition. We gotta do our thing. Thanks for setting this up. I think we all had a good time.
Dude, seriously. Thank you. Thanks for making that happen, man. That was awesome.
All right, guys, we're at the show. SSR hooked us up, man. We returned the bikes. Now we're going to go enjoy and see what AIMExpo has to offer this year. Make sure you crash it like you do the one at home.